Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this training on how to use Elementor and WordPress to build very nice looking landing pages and sales funnels. In this lecture we are going to discuss about how you can create a thank you page or a download page for your customers, which is actually very easy, and you will see how we can do that fast and efficient using these tools. So first of all, we log into the dashboard, as you already know. We go and have a look in the left side menu. We go in the pages section and we will want to add a new page, of course. Bear with me for a couple of seconds until the page is loading. And we will give a new name to the page, a title, thank you page, download page. Okay. We save it as a draft first of all, then we press the Edit with Elementor button. And it will load very soon. Now what we want to do is go in the settings option, as you already know, in the left side menu. Select the Elementor canvas so that we can work only with Elementor. Now what we want to do right now is obviously add the elements for download to the page. And very likely what we would want to add to this page is a button which will be basically linked to the product that the customer has to download or has bought. Maybe an image, and maybe, I don't know, another button which will redirect them to a one-time offer or to an upsell or something like that. Okay. So that it's fairly easy. What we want to add first thing of one of the first things that we will want to add is a header in which we will let people know where they are. Okay, like thank you for your purchase. Okay, let me do that again. Thank you for your purchase. For your purchase, you can download your product below. Your product below. Okay, fairly easy, right? Okay, and below we can add an image or something like that. And you will see that in this one we have, let's say this is the e-cover of the ebook or something like that. We will insert the media. Then let's say that we want a button. We go in the left side menu, we select the button, we drag and drop it. Center it, download here. And here we will put the link to the files. Okay, very, very simple. And if we want to add like an upsell or anything like that, we can either add a button or another image, right? And we will go in the elements section and we will add another button. Let's make this one extra large. Okay, upgrade your product. Okay, again we will center it, we put the link here, and we also have link options. If you want to have a look, open a new window. If you want to redirect people, okay, in a new window, and the thank you page to still remain opened. And that's about it. Okay, this is how we create a very nice looking download page. Now, thank you very much for watching. In our following lecture, we are going to discuss about the possibility of adding files, maybe the files that you want your customers to download to WordPress in a very simple manner. Thank you for watching. We are looking forward to see you in. Hello and welcome back. in this next lecture, we are going to discuss about how you can add files to your WordPress website without actually having to go into the cPanel, and then basically how you can link them to any button or download page or banner or whatever you want to use to give it to your customers, okay, so that they are able to get their product after they purchase it. So very, very simple. If you want to use your hosting or the place where you have WordPress installed to actually add the files that you sell to your customers there so they can access them, you go into your WordPress administrator dashboard, as you see right now on the screen, and in the left side menu, go into the plugin section, add new plugin, and we are going to search for a plugin which allows us to upload directly files from the WordPress administrator dashboard. And we are looking for WordPress files. Okay, so we are going to have the file manager. This is what we are looking for. We are going to install it right now. So you have to click on the install now button, and it has been installed, and now let's activate it. And once it's activated, we can start the procedure of uploading files and linking them and so on. Okay, now let's have a look in the left side menu. If we are going to scroll down, we are going to see that we have a new option here, which is the WordPress file manager. If we click on this new plugin, we are going to be able to see exactly the file manager of our hosting, of our website, of WordPress, and so on. Just bear with me for a couple of seconds till the page loads. And you will see it's actually very, very simple to use, so nothing complicated at all, and it's very useful. So let's scroll down. Here you can see everything you need, all the files that you have right now in your hosting, where the website is hosted and WordPress installed. And what we need right now, obviously, is to upload the files here. And how we can do that, we have these options here, new file, okay, go to parent folder, and so on, right? So maybe what we want to do right now is add a new folder, downloads. Okay, creating the folder, and now we go inside the folder and we can upload the file. Okay, so if you click on your file from here, anyway, here we can add our own files. Go to parent folder, back, upload files. Okay, click on upload files, and you can select the files, the folder from your computer or from wherever you want to down or upload them, or you can just drag and drop them here. Okay, and then basically the link to your new file in our case will be plrcookbooks.net/test3/downloads, because we have created the downloads folder, /test.zip file. Let's say that we upload test.zip file. Okay, and the customer, if we redirect them from a download button to that link, will be able to download the file. So it's that easy. Okay, nothing complicated at all. Now, thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next video. Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to use WordPress and Elementor in order to create pages, landing pages, and funnels. Now, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the possibility of building a JV page, which is an affiliate page in the case in which you are selling your product, offer, or service through affiliates. These are people which already have traffic, people who might be interested in your product, and to whom you pay a commission if they sell any of your offer, product, or service. And most of the times you will want to have a special page dedicated for these people, where you give them details about your product launch, your offer, your service, or whatever it is that you sell, your sales funnels, and so on. Now, it's very simple to build a JV page. It's not complicated at all. You have some minimal details that you need to give to your affiliates. At least that's how we consider. It's up to you how many details you want to give them, but there are a couple of basic things that you should do, in our opinion, in order to to get the most effective message out there to your possible potential and possible partners. So first things first, you log into your dashboard, you go ahead in the left side menu and add new page, and we are going to build the JV page test. We click on edit with Elementor and it will load in a couple of seconds. As you are already used to, we go in the left side menu, in the lower part in settings, we select from page layout Elementor canvas, and we are going to start to build this page from scratch. First of all, we will need to add the logo and the image of let's say the logo and the header or the text or whatever you want to add first for the JV page for affiliates. Usually we have the logo in the left side and the text, maybe the announcement of the product launch, in the right side. Okay, so in order for us to do that, we can actually create a new section with 2 columns, and this is the new section, and we go in the left side menu, we add an image in the left side, okay, and text in the right side. And in the image, we basically add a logo. And just for the sake of this example, let's add this one, Quest. And here we can just type in launch announcement, join us on the 6th of October. This is just an example. We'll want to center this text, okay, maybe bold it, okay. We can even change the position a little bit if we want to. So this is how we will probably usually do it. Then most of the pages of the affiliate pages or JV pages also have a video, so that's what we are going to add next, a video, okay. And we can actually do the video a little bit smaller. So in this case, let's change the structure. Okay, and we are going in the settings, style. Oh, we want to have settings, layout, structure. Actually, let's delete this one. Add new. Okay, we add a new section with 2 columns. Why? We will put the video in the left side, and in the right side we might want to add a subscription form for our affiliates. Maybe we want to add our affiliates to an email marketing list to which we can promote, send different emails, maintain contact with the affiliates, okay. And we usually have subscription boxes for Elementor. But if we don't have, we have HTML code, and if you are using an autoresponder like GetResponse or Aweber or any type of autoresponder or email marketing service like that, you'll get a sign-up form which has an HTML code. You copy that code and you paste it here in the left side menu here, okay, and it will appear here. And I will show you an example. Let's see. Actually, let me see, because we should already have this type of page, so you just get an idea about how this should look like.
Did you know that the e-learning industry had a turnover?
And this is the JV page, a type of JV page, okay, and this is the type of sign-up form I was mentioning to you, okay. So mainly this is how a JV page looks like, okay. Details about the product, sign-up link, a couple of reasons why affiliates should join, other details, how the sales funnel looks like. So these are some basic details about the product itself, and email swipes or banners or other things that you offer to affiliates so that it's easier for them to promote your product. Now let me go back to Elementor. So the next thing that we should add to this page, is the, let's see, it's the button where affiliates can get their affiliate link. So we will first add a heading which says get your affiliate link below, and we will center this, and then we are going to add a button below, get affiliate link here, and we can even add an icon here, arrow in the button, and this is how it will look like, large. Okay, so people can get, if they will click here, and here we add the link, the affiliate link. If you are using an affiliate network like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, you will have an affiliate link, so a page where people will be redirected to get their affiliate link, which is actually the link through which their sales and traffic is tracked, so that they can get a commission if they get a sale. Okay, and you will add that link here, and once they click on this link, on this button, they will be redirected to that link. Okay, so this is it with the affiliate link. Now the next thing that you will probably want to add, okay, is the sales funnel, which is basically an image. So you don't necessarily add it with Elementor, but we are going to discuss more about that in our next lecture, where we are going to show you also how you can create that image for the sales funnel very, very easy and simple with a different tool. Thank you for watching.